Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 8 trades. Today's date is June the 28th and I'm using my new pip trigger trading system. This system has audio alerts, pop-up box, as you see right here, giving you signals whether you should be buying or selling. Now every morning, 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer going through all the different instruments, trying to make decisions whether I should be buying and or selling, and of course taking a look at my daily trade plan, which helps me every day. Now here's a screenshot of my daily trade plan from a couple hours ago. I've taken every one of these trades directly from my daily trade plan. I would not trade without it, as it helps me a lot. You must have some kind of a daily trade plan or you will fail at trading. Okay, now we can get into some of these trades. Now on the pound pairs, as you can see on the meter, it is a bus driver, which means it's at the bottom down here. It's showing that the pound is very weak, so that means we're selling the pound pairs, providing the pound is on the left side, of course. So I did around 1, 2, 3, 5. I sold 5 of the pound and they all paid off. Okay, let's see on this pound Aussie trade where I got in at. Took all the trades this morning early enough, between 7 and 8 approximately, of course. Closed them all out before the opening bell. So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out just being happy. And generally all I do is I look at the totals, and once I hit 200 or more pips and ticks, I'm happy. I just close out the trades and then I'm done trading for the day. If I was still in the trade, I'd be up 32, but I was happy with approximately 11 pips, and that paid out $72. Moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro CAD. Here we go, wanted to be buying it. Again, white arrows from the daily trade plan, and the blue and red arrows are from the super signal indicator that I added it on 4 months after I put the package together. Would not trade any system without the super signal indicator. After more than 10,000 indicators that I tested, the super signal indicator is the best indicator I've came across. And I've had traders ask me, does it repaint? The answer is no. Once it's printed, it stays there permanently. So in this Euro CAD, bought it at this cursor right here, and I close it out right at this cursor, locking in about 12 pips, and those 12 pips paid out $90. And as you can see on this alert, that the trend either changes up to down or down when it changes from red to blue or blue to red. You'll get an audio sound with this pop-up box. Moving on to the next trade, another pound pair that I sold. Pound Swiss, here we go. Wanted to be selling it. Super signal indicator, white ones from the daily trade plan. Let's see where I got in at. Took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out just being happy, locking in about another one with about 12 pips, and those 12 pips paid out $144. Moving on to the next trade, which is the pound CAD. Another one I sold. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Let's see where I got in at. I knew it was going to go down with about a 95% certainty. I took the trade at this cursor right here, close it out. At this cursor, locking in about 20 pips, and those 20 pips paid out $150. Moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro Aussie. Wanted to be buying it, did qualify for a great way to trade as I teach within the training videos. Now let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Again, I knew when I took the trade I was going to have a winner, at least 95% sure. Pull the trigger at this cursor and I close it out here, locking in about 25 pips, and those pips ended up paying out $171. Moving right along to the next trade, which is the dollar CAD. Now on this trade, bought it. Let's see where I got in at. Did qualify also for a great way to trade. Pulled the trigger at this cursor and I close it out, locking in about 46 pips, and those pips paid out $346. Moving on to the next trade, another pound pair that I sold, pound yen. Everything looking great. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. From the daily trade plan, the super signal, a lot of things telling me to sell, so I sold it, locking in about 56 pips, and those 56 pips paid out $394. Moving on to the next trade, which is the pound dollar. Now the pound dollar pays $10 for each pip because the USD is on the right hand side. Wanted to be selling it. Did qualify for a great way to trade. And looking at the money, and because it pays $10 for each pip, this should be 62. There's your sell signal, white, and the red one from the super signal. So from here to here should be 62, and there it is right there. And that ended up paying out $620. So another great day of trading using my pip trigger. I knew it was going to be over 200 pips, and it is. I added up all the pips. Total came to 244, and all those pips paid out $1,992. So if your system's not producing like my pip trigger, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now, if you want to get some more information, or if you have any questions or comments, well, just Skype me. So if you look right below this video, you will get my contact information plus a lot of other information. Like I said, if you look right below the video, you'll see this button right here that says show more. All you got to do is click on it. It opens up a window. Now here is my link to Skype. Even if you think you don't have it, you don't even have to install Skype. You just click on this link. If you have a computer or a cell phone, we'll be connected and we can talk live. Now there's 4 things that you need to succeed at trading. You need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education, and you need a daily trade plan. You must have all 4 of these. Now if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. There's 4 packages that I do charge $250 each. I recommend buying all 4 packages. The special offer at this point in time is if you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 for free. Now if you want another special limited time offer, whereas I do give a 50% discount, if you want to know more about that package, well, just get in contact with me. Now this pip trigger, keep in mind it does not include the super signal indicator. That is in the Easy Trader package. Now the pip trigger has 22 training videos, about up to 30 minutes long each. And then package 2 is how I trade live. I've had lots of traders have got back to me, and after they told me after they bought this How I Trade Live Advanced Trading Tips, they are now finding success as I go through more advanced trading tips. I'll show you all the steps I go through as I'm trading. Another one that has 20 training videos up to 30 minutes long each. Here's the daily trade plan EA I was talking to you about. That's a must-have. And again, the Easy Trader. Now if you continue to scroll down here, I break down each package and all the different things that I teach within the package. The more things that you learn, the better you'll be as a trader. Here's How I Trade Live, Advanced Trading Tips. All the steps I go through starting with the daily trade plan. Again, the daily trade plan EA and the super signal indicator is in this package, the Easy Trader. So now if you have any questions or you want to buy, quite simple. All you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Or you can send me an email. Here's my email address. I live in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. And again, here's another link to Skype. Now once you buy it, you own it. There's no way I can take it back. So please make a note that there are no refunds. So just about time to wrap up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe, okay? Bye for now.